gonna learn words that have same pronunciations but different meanings. So let's start. So the first one is gham, sweat. Mishti, sweet. Poramosho, advice. Upodesh, advice. Shanti, peace. Tukra, peace. Grohon kora, accept. Chara, accept. Probesher odhikar, access. Otirikto, excess. Pesha, career. Bohon kari, carrier. I hope you guys like it. See you in the next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.